Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about BigRock. BigRock is a popular web hosting and domain registration service that offers a range of services for individuals and businesses looking to establish an online presence. In simple terms, it's like a one-stop shop for all your website needs. One of the key features of BigRock is its domain registration service. They allow you to search for and register a domain name for your website. It's convenient because you can find and secure a domain name that suits your business or personal brand. So let's try our domain here. It will always be Madaga until I buy it myself. Next, they will see if it's available. They will give you all choose one of them. So yeah, forgive me if I misread this, but I will search it here. It's allow Microsoft Bing to access your current location for better search experience. It's RS. What's no, I meant oh, this stands for RS, but what does it mean? No, I mean, I know it's a coin, it's a currency, but for which country? It's Asian, and I don't want to misread it or something like this. So let's search for it. I copy it like here, the easiest way. So it's Indian rupee. Oh, so it was Asian. I didn't make a big mistake. So it's 800, almost 50 rupee, Indian rupee per year. Okay, I will not pronounce the currency because I don't know if I pronounce it right. So let's continue. BigRock also offers web hosting service, which means they provide the server space and infrastructure to make your website accessible on the internet. They have different hosting plans to choose from, depending on your website needs and traffic. Their hosting plans are generally reliable and come with a good uptime guarantee, ensuring that your website is accessible to visitors anytime or around the clock. So here are the plans: the shared hosting, the VPS hosting, the dedicated server. This for businesses, this for small businesses, and this for people. No, I think. Yes, for individuals. Do you already own a domain? No. Register your domain now. Yes. Get cloud backups, code guard, add to cart. No, I mean yes. Cloud security. Yes. So another noteworthy aspect of BigRock is their website builder tools. If you are not tech savvy and you don't have the resource to hire a web developer, this tool can be very helpful. It allows you to create a website using pre-designed templates and a user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to build a website without coding knowledge. And here you can add your website here, buy for 2 years. Yes. Now bill is arriving at 150 1598. So let's proceed to the checkout and fill up for the informations. We have the product, the clouds, and the shared Linux hosting. Include premium DNS for all domains, and the payout will be 23,000. coupon is not available in your country. They have coupons but not available on our country. You need help, they will assist you. So the customer support is an essential aspect of any service, and BigRock generally receives positive feedbacks in this regard. They offer various support channels like live chat, email, and phone support to assist customers with their queries or technical issues. So by clicking on next, now you just have to fill your informations, the full name, mobile, email, and password. If I click here, all this will be full, and I just need to enter my password. Special characters, yes. By clicking on create an account, now I'll be proceeding to the payment, the billing details. So while BigRock has many positives, here are few areas where they could improve. Some users have responded occasionally downtime for or slow loading times for their websites, which can be frustrating. Additionally, their pricing structure may not be the most competitive in the market, especially when compared to some other hosting providers. So I'm going to continue to payments. In summary, BigRock is a reliable web hosting and domain registration service that offers a range of features to help individuals and businesses establish their online presence. They have a user-friendly website builder, good customer support, and a variety of hosting plans. However, some users have experienced occasionally performance issues and their pricing might not be most competitive. It's always a good idea to compare different hosting providers before making a decision. So here for the domains, you can register for a domain or you can ask them to give you one. Here we have the prices for the .com, the .net, the .in, the .online shop or .org. We have co, store, BIZ, live, store, check, live, email, today, and other benefits of getting a domain. Next, we have the security, the hosting and the cloud. The hosting, we have the Linux hosting and the Windows hosting. They also include the website builder. We have reseller hosting, Windows and Linux. And here we have the marketing server, services and deal, email and security here. Email hosting, you can buy now for 29 Indian rupee per month. And that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.